Shardor CG845B uses a conical burr system to grind beans for full coffee flavor. There are 14 grinding settings for you to choose from, which can be used for different brewing methods. At the same time, there are 2 to 12 cups to choose from, and you can adjust the desired number of cups according to the actual amount required. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Advanced Conical Burr. The stainless steel Conical Burr coffee grinder gives you the perfect control over the grind size. Number 2. Grind it your way. Choose from 14 precision grinding settings. Adjust the settings of the grind before adding coffee beans. Number 3. Select your preferred cup. The number scale control dial is from 2 to 12 cups to grind the amount you need. Number 4. Low noise. The Conical Burr Grinder working noise level is less than 75 dB. Number 5. Safety lock. The safety lock system ensures grinder work safety, and the indicator light will flash according to different working states. Number 6. One-touch start. Automatic stop at the end of grinding. Number 7. Place the removable ring burr on top of the center cone burr. Align the removable ring burr notches with the center cone burr tabs and gently work until it is seated on the top of the center cone burr. Number 8. Install the bean hopper. Install the bean hopper onto the unit. Number 9. Install the bean hopper. Turn clockwise until it stops with the grind size indicator on fine. Number 10. Install grinding chamber. Put grinding chamber lid back on grinding chamber and then install it into the unit, tightly locking into place. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.